Hey my athletes, welcome to this belly fat workout for women by CureFit. My name is Nikki and I'm going to guide you through this awesome workout today. I have got 6 movements for you guys to target your core and help you reduce your belly fat. This workout is friendly for all my beginners who are just starting the fitness journey and also for my advanced athletes. All you need to do is amp up the intensity and you're good to go. Let's start the workout now. Okay guys, the first movement is called rotating toe touches. So the setup for this is your feet should be a little wider than your shoulder width, toes pointing slightly outwards, your knee in line with your feet. From here, hands straight, in line with your shoulders. From here, your left hand touches your right toe and you come up straight, and the other hand touches the other toe and you come up straight. Remember to keep your core engaged because this is going to target your obliques, your core, also going to help you target your glutes and your shoulders and your back as well and your hamstrings as well. So in 3, 2, 1, 45 seconds on the clock and let's go. And breathe in, breathe out, in and out. Okay, for my beginners, if you're not able to touch your toe, no issues. You can touch your shin or maybe you can even touch your knee, okay? Keep going, stand up tall and keep going. Keep going. Doing great, guys. Awesome job. Few more reps. Keep going. Don't forget to keep your core tight. Almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Good job, guys. Now, the second movement is your elbow plank. So, we'll set up by keeping our chest on the floor, elbows on the floor. From here, please note that your elbow and your shoulders in one straight line. Now, lift up. Now, always remember to tuck in your pelvic in and keep your core tight. Make sure you're not making a hill or not sinking your back too low and just hold it there, okay? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember guys, to keep your core engaged, make sure that your glutes, your quads are tight as well because this movement is not just for your core but your full body. Since you're on your elbows, your shoulder muscles activated, since you're keeping your glutes and your quads tight, it's going to target that as well. Keep this on, and don't forget, keep breathing. Breathing is what will help you get through this movement. Keep going. And make sure you don't get your head inside this way. Keep your neck neutral and stay there. And we are done. Great job, guys. Okay, now moving on to our third movement, that's called Russian twist. So what you have to do in this movement is first sit down on the floor, right? So keep your back straight, your spine straight, your chest out, lift your leg up. You can keep a slight bend in your legs. From here, all you have to do is rotate your torso from one side to the other and your head follows your hand, okay? This is going to target your obliques, give you a smashing midsection. And in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going. For my advanced athletes, to amp up the intensity, like I said before, lean back a little bit, core engaged, and keep going. And to my beginners, like I said before, heel on the floor, and you can just do this, okay? Try to take your hands further, as further as you can. Keep going, guys. This is gonna give you a really nice chiseled midsection, targeting your obliques as well, internal and external. Keep going. And don't forget to breathe. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Great job, guys. 3 movements done. 3 more to go. Without any further delay, let's go for our 4th movement. That's called wood chops. So the setup for this movement is you have to keep your feet shoulder width apart, right? So I'm going to start from my left hand side. Take your hands here. Imagine you're holding an X, okay? Your hand is above your shoulder. From here, what you're going to do is imagine you're chopping a tree, right? From here, you're going to chop and move towards the opposite feet. So this is your movement. So remember again, core engage. This movement is gonna target your legs as well, your shoulder muscle because you're chopping. And all you have to do is make sure you keep your core engaged, glutes tight, quads tight. All right? All set? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Remember, alternating, okay? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. And don't forget to breathe. This is gonna bring your heart rate up as well. Don't stop, stay with me. All my beginners, lower the intensity a bit. That's all you have to do. Chopping a tree, keep going. Twist your leg, twist your torso to one side and the other. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Great job, guys. 2 more movements. The 5th one is your V-ups. Lie down flat on the floor. Press your back on the floor, hands over your head. From here, you're gonna come all the way up and down. Up and down. That's all. Yeah? 45 seconds on the clock with me. Set yourself up for this. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, my beginners, what you can do, you can rest your feet on the floor and go for it. Can't talk right now. Engaging my core a bit. Keep going. Done. There you go, guys. 5 movements done. Before we move on to our last movement, I would like to invite you guys to our CureFit app and request you all to try our CureFit Life. Here, you can work out with more trainers like me who will guide you through your fitness journey. If you download the app through the link in the description or the first comment below, you will get a free access of 14 days for our app. Okay, guys, moving on to our last movement. My favorite, leg raises. What are you going to do? Lie flat on the floor. Again, press your back on the floor. If you want, you can keep your hands underneath your glutes. From here, you're going to lift your leg up 90 degrees and then drop it down. So when you're dropping down, please make sure your heel is not touching the floor and bring it all the way up and down. Okay, for my beginners, what you can do, lift your leg up and you can touch your heel to the floor. Okay, ready? Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. This is going to work on your lower abs, that stubborn fat in your lower abs. This is going to kill that. Keep going. Remember to keep your core engaged. If you want, you can release your hands and down. Keep going. Like I said, my beginners can touch your heel to the floor, 90 degree and down. Up and down. Keep going. Good job, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me. Last movement, we're almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and there it is. Done with 6 movements, done with our workout. Great job, guys, great job. Do add this workout to your personal playlist so you can come back and do this workout at least 4 to 5 times a week for a month, all right? You can repeat the number of rounds, let's say another 3 to 5 rounds to amp up the intensity. This will help you burn more calories and get you leaner and stronger. Also, as the saying goes, abs are made in the kitchen. Do make sure you maintain a healthy diet, keep a tab on your sugar intake, and please avoid things that has trans fat, all right? Again, guys, sleep and water, 2 important things. Please make sure you drink sufficient amount of water and get sufficient amount of sleep so that your body can recover and have a good rest as well, okay? Let us know in the comment section how you found this workout. Stay tuned to our CureFit YouTube channel. Like the video, share it across with your friends and family. You can even save this workout on your watch later section or create a new personal playlist so you can come back and work out with me. Subscribe to our CureFit channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Until next time, guys, take care. Cheers.